let's say you came across this type of equation. 22.5 gram of lead 2 trioxonitrate 5 were dissolved in 25 gram of distilled water at 20 degrees Celsius. Calculate the solubility in solubility of the salt in mole per dm cube. One thing you need to know is that if you came across this type of equation, from that word, calculate the solubility, you should be able to tell that this type of equation falls under solubility. And that is why we have solute plus solvent will give us a solution. So this is it. Solute plus solvent will yield solution. Are you with me now? So in case you came across this, what is that formula we are going to use in this type of equation? One thing you need to know is that for the fact that we are given 22.5 gram of lead 2 trioxonitrate 5, write out that equation, calculate the molar mass, but before then, we are asked to calculate the solubility in mole per dm cube. So we can say solubility in mole per dm cube. The formula is solute, or you call it mass of solute. So let's make use of that. Mass of solute divided by molar mass of Pb, that's lead 2 trioxonitrate 5. This is a chemical formula, multiplied by 1000 cm cube divided by the volume of solute. In some cases, we can as well find this as volume of the solution. But using solution or solute determine or depend on what you are given in the question. Now, this is a formula we are going to use. Now, the next thing to do is we have to calculate the molar mass of this lead 2 trioxonitrate 5. In that case, we said Pb NO3, we have 2. What is our Pb? 207 plus, these two will open the bracket of this particular compound, which is nitrate, and said N2 plus 3 times 2 is 6. We have 6 oxygen. And said 207 plus 14 times 2 plus 16 times 6. And we have 207 plus 28. This will give us 16 times 6. That should give us 90. Okay, we have 96 plus 28 plus 207. We have 331 gram per mole. So we can take this to be the molar mass of lead 2 trioxonitrate 5. So the molar mass is given to be 331 gram per mole. Guys, what is the mass of the solute? Back to the question. 22.5 gram of lead 2 trioxonitrate 5. This will represent the mass of the solute. So we said mass of solute equal 22.5 gram. Now, what is the volume of solute? Were dissolved in 25 gram of distilled water. That word distilled water giving us the what? The trick that the volume of the solute is 25 gram. Please take note of that. So we said volume of solute. We have 25 gram. The first parameter is this. The second one, the third one. Now, back to this formula. Solubility in mole per dm cube. Mass of solute is given to 22.5 divided by molar mass of lead 2 trioxonitrate 5. We have 331 1 multiply by 1000 over 25. So let's check. 22.5 divided by 331. In short form, you can say we have 0.068 multiplied by what? Then we said 1000 divided by 25, we have 40. So when 0.068 is being multiplied by 40, what are we going to have? Let's take a look at that. So guys, we have 2.720 mole per dm cube. So guys, if you came across this type of equation, you don't have to panic. Are you with me now? The formula to use is this. Irrespective of the molar mass given to you, I make use of molar mass of this because it is stated in the question. You can add the formula to be mass of solute divided by molar mass multiplied by 1000 cm cube over volume of solute. Another formula is solute over solvent times 1000 over molar mass. You can choose either of the two to solve this type of equation. I repeat, if you are not going to make use of this formula, you can as well use solute over solvent multiplied by volume divided by molar mass. We are still saying the same thing. Back to the options. Option A, we have 2.720. Okay, let's check option B. We have 3.350, 0.272, 0.335. If you take a look at what we have solved on the whiteboard with option A, they are the same thing. So the correct answer is option A. Guys, they did not impute the parameter, sorry, the units here. But in case you came across any question that deals with the unit of this is stated in the question that calculate the solubility of the salt in mole per dm cube. So guys, if you are just coming across this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow us on our TikTok page, share, like, repost, and if you have any question, do well to drop it in the comment box. Thank you.